How do you use Later, a scheduling program, to schedule posts for your social media? Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday favorite programs to help make life that little bit easier. So here I am in my account in Later. This is a free account so that you can actually see how this works. Now, one of the things that makes Later different from the other scheduling programs is that it actually lets you build up a media library. So to be able to schedule what they want you to do, if you're going to do it with an image option, is actually to click and drag or to add in the images before you actually start scheduling. So Later on their free account will let you have basically one of each of the social media platforms, and actually post about 5 posts per channel. So you can see I've already added a few images in, and I can do this in one of two ways. The most obvious option is I can click Create Post, and that now gives me my option. Just so you can see, if I cancel that for a moment, yes, cancel that. So yes, leave. Um, I've actually got to select which channel I want first. So I can click on there, but I can only schedule in one platform at a time. So I can't multiple schedule. So let me go back to Instagram, which is what I'm using for this example. Create post. It now confirms that it's going into my Instagram account. And because I've chosen Instagram, I have to have at least one image. So I'm going to click add media, and you can see it's giving me my options that I've already uploaded. I can click and drag more in there, and I've also got some options to upload from some online options. So let me choose an image, and I'm just going to click and drag to drop that into the media area. So I'm going to save changes, and now that appears here. I can choose what post type, so all there, and write in my caption. What do you think of my new uh, header image? Okay, you can see I do have saved captions. I've also got hashtag suggestions, so let's click there and see what it does. So let's get some automatic suggestions. Okay, and you can see that a lot of this is actually available only with a paid option. So I'm going to click on close. So let's click there. Let's just do Facebook. Oops. Let's type in the hashtag and do Facebook. Header image, just a few bits randomly. So based on what I've got, you can see that although is the option for different options, or for more commands, you can see most of those is all part of the paid option. But what I'm actually interested in is how do I schedule it? So here at the top, I've got auto publish. And you can also manually publish, but I'd rather auto because that's the point. And now I've got the choice of when. Now, again, if you've got a paid account, it'll actually let you choose some different options and recommend some dates. But if I want to manually change that, let's say it's going to be Wednesday. Let's say that's actually going to be, oh, as you can see, it's not actually giving me all the different times. It's giving me suggested options instead. So let's choose that. That's all there. And I can click on the drop down arrow to save as a draft if I don't want to post it, or I can just click schedule post. And in the calendar, it's actually scheduling it for me and prepping that. So what I will be able to see through Later is a calendar of when everything's going to be posted. And that also gives me the second option for creating a new post. So again, you can see here that I've got all of my images. Let's choose one at random. So let's choose that one. And then the other option is I can click and drag that over to the calendar, choosing a time. So let's choose 5 o'clock. And by doing that, it actually adds that image in and now lets me have everything that I want. So do you know how to schedule pins directly within Pinterest? Well, let's just type in Pinterest scheduling media. And again, because I've clicked and dragged and chosen the date and time, it's already in there. If I want to change it, I can do that. But let's just schedule the post. And that's now ready to be posted by Later automatically. And this will work whether I am online and connected or not. because it's a website. If you like this tip, please do give it the video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to be notified as new videos become available, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. See you in the next video.